A great way to grow your channel with YouTube Shorts and also generate leads for your business is to give your audience a behind the scenes look into how your product is made or what your day as a business owner looks like. And in this quick tutorial, we'll show you just how you can do that in under 15 minutes without having to film any footage of your own with the help of this InVideo template. Simply click on Use this template to go to the editor. Here you have a very intuitive setup. The main canvas shows you the preview of the video you're creating. All your scenes are placed on the timeline area below the canvas and they are already synced to a royalty-free audio track, so you don't have to change the music track or readjust the duration of the scenes in any way. On the left-hand side of the screen, you have the complete assets menu. From here, you can choose different assets such as videos, images, text, and music to add to your video. Now, let's begin editing. We are recreating this short for a nail salon, but you can customize it for any type of product or service. If you have video clips of your own, you can upload them using the Uploads option in the left menu. Else, you can follow along to see how you can use stock videos to recreate this short. We highly suggest using a mix of your own clips and stock footage for a more authentic feel. The template is set up in a way that it showcases a customer's journey from when the customer first orders your product or books an appointment with you, all the way to when they finally get to experience the end product or service. It currently has 8 scenes, each one for a different step of the journey. But you can choose to delete some of the scenes if what you're showcasing fits in fewer number of scenes, or you can add scenes if you need more using this option right above the timeline. For the first slide, we want to replace the video of yarns with that of a nail salon or someone doing a manicure. So we'll go to the video tab in the left menu and search for the same using the search bar. Once we find a clip from the search results, I will drag and drop it onto the canvas. This will open up a pop-up window where I want to hit replace. Another pop-up window will appear where I want to trim the clip to fit the duration of the scene, which is shown by this vertical dotted line on the player. This is important, otherwise the sync of the clips to the audio will go haywire. Simply select this option on the bottom left corner that says Trim Video to Fit Scene and click on Add, and your video will replace the template default. If the clip appears slightly blurry or pixelated, don't worry because sometimes the editor takes time to load. It will be exported in high definition only. You similarly want to replace the video clips for all the remaining scenes, making sure that the clips you choose fit the point that you're trying to make. For this video, I'm going to choose clips that represent the different steps of an acrylic nail extension manicure. If you make a mistake, or add a clip you don't want, you can either delete it by pressing the delete key on the keyboard or undo the step by using the Command plus Z or Control plus Z shortcuts on your keyboard. Once all your clips are replaced, you want to go ahead and change the text. To do that, select the text on any scene and double click on it to open up the edit window on the left. And here you type out your own text. You will need to do this for all the scenes that you add to your video. Make sure that your first scene has your title or introduction and your last scene has your call to action or CTA. The final step is to change the logo. Simply click on the logo on any scene to open up the logo menu on the left. Here you use the upload option to upload your own logo image. Once it's uploaded, you just need to click on it and it will get replaced throughout the template. If everything looks good, click on the play button underneath the canvas to preview your shot. And once you're satisfied, go to the top right corner of the screen and hit Export. We suggest exporting in 180p for the best results. You can recreate this trend for other types of brands as well. For instance, if you sell commissioned art pieces, you can recreate a shot like this. The best part? You can use the same video to get more views on Instagram Reels and TikTok as well. And that's how you can create and upload a viral YouTube short within InVideo.